What's up, guys? This afternoon I received a package from Amazon, right? And this unboxing for today's video is gonna be obviously you guys see up there what it is for. This is the Netgear NightHawk R6700 router, and yes, we're gonna get to it. Okay, I'm gonna open up the box. Okay, so this is the box, and inside there's another box, and there you have it. Put that down. Alrighty, so like I was saying, this is the NightHawk AC1750. Did I say the 6700? Oh yes, this is the actually the NightHawk AC1700 series, right? But this is on the NightHawk. What I was telling you, the model number, which is the 6700, model 6700. Keep an eye on that, alright? I'm gonna tell you about something about this later. So on the box, you can see the picture on the back. Obviously they're gonna just advertise, gaming. Let me just sharpen a picture for you guys. You're gonna advertise gaming, streaming videos, Skyping and whatnot, right? So one of the reasons I got this router, right, is because mainly, I could get by for what I have. All I have, for my home is I have phones and maybe the laptop and a tablet and why not. For everything else in my house is wired, hardwire. My smart TVs, my gaming systems, my PCs, everything else is hardwire. Alright, and from those you may ask how I got those all connected hardwire. So I got everything connected through a hub. It's I have a switch. It comes Ethernet cable comes from all the way from the router from the modem, right, and ran it all the way to a switch, and from the switch I have all my devices connected. I don't like to rely on Wi-Fi, so okay, so again, this is the NightHawk, right? NightHawk AC1700, because now they released a later model of this, right? Not exactly later model from this one here. This one still stands as its own model, but they have the other one that's there's no NightHawk branding on the box, but it's still under the AC1750, right? 1750, right? Series, but it's not a NightHawk. But if you go, let's say you're shopping around for the same Wi-Fi router, you're gonna see that it says the 6400, not the 67. Right. So the reason why I actually suggest you guys to get the 6700, even though for selling purposes they proclaim that the 6400 is even though it came out a year later after this model, they could proclaim this the following of the 6700, which is not. Alright, so let's go into the specs here real quick. Let's see here. Okay, they don't have the specs that I'm looking for here, but at the same time you guys could pause if you want and look at the specs and read it yourself. Right. Okay. So the difference between the 6400 and this one here, which is the R6700, is this one comes with obviously a dual core processor, right, which is clocked at 1 gigahertz. And this dual core processor in this router is a later generation, a newer generation than the 6400 model that came a year after this model here. You get what I'm saying here? So even though the 6400 is a newer system, still it's not under the NightHawk family, but they proclaim that the 6400 pretty much replacing the 6700, which they're not. So just to put that aside, keep that in mind, right? The other 6400 again uses an older CPU, right? This one, even though it came out a year before, has later or newer dual core processor right here. All right, so this is one of the other things I want to clear out, and let's see what we have in the box. Oh, there's a tab in the bottom. All right, so in the box, obviously we're gonna run into the first thing. Wow, this thing is huge. All right, we're gonna put that on the side. We have the guides, step by step how to connect it, whatever. I don't need that. We have the antennas. We had the AC adapter and Cat5e, pretty short. Alright, so we're gonna put the box on the side and go through them. Alright, so we have how many items? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright. Okay, so another key differences between the 6400 and this one here, which is the R6700, besides the more powerful CPU on this one, right, is that this one oh boy, why did they make it so hard to open up? Okay. Alright, second, the R67, which is this model here, comes with removable antennas. Alright, as you can see, it comes with removable antennas. Right, the 6400, mind you, comes with fixed antenna. Even though you can swivel them around and stuff like that, you can't remove them. It's just fixed. So this one is future proof. Like if you want to upgrade to higher frequency antennas, you go right ahead in the future if you decide so. All right. One of the key differences is also the only thing this model comes with, it only has one USB port. It only has one. And on the 6400, it comes with 2 USB ports. Usually they have them right here. There's one in the back and one in the front. But this is not about the 6400, right? But I just want to make a difference. You know, if you shopping for them, if you're shopping for the router and you want something like this, you might get confused. Just pay attention. This is the R6700, right? And the other thing, and we're gonna remove the plastic. Here. Okay. I was watching, comparing them both. They're actually making the this one has like a matte black, but it's still shiny though. Right? Compared to the to the 6400. The 6400 has like a piano glossy black, right? In the pictures when I was before I purchased this one, it looks like a flat, no shine to it. As you can see, this has somewhat a shine to it. Don't kind of like it, right? But the 6400 has a glossy black, like fingerprint magnet stuff. This does not. Right? So the only two models I suggest is only from the NightHawk family. Is the starting from the R7000, R6700. Right? They both look alike. Everything's the same unit. You know, like if you compare them both side to side, unless you don't look for the model number, you can say which one is which, right? Compared to the 6400. The 6400 comes with fixed antennas. Alright, so right now I didn't want to make it a tutorial about a router or something like that. You know, just wanted to give you guys some insights, right, on what to look for if you're looking for this model, the 6700. Right, and one other thing also, let me point out, right, let me just go through the obvious features. It has 4 LAN ports, 1 WAN port, on and off switch, right, turn this on and off switch, AC plug input, and you have the 3 antennas. Okay. On the front, you may have the activity LEDs on the front. This could also be deactivated through the software, right? Let's say if you put your router in the bedroom, obviously you're going to see the lights bothering you at nighttime or so on. This lights could be turned off through the software. Also, another thing that I want to bring up, right? This well, all the Netgear routers, right, to this date are now compatible with Amazon Echo, Alexa, right? So now you can control via voice control your Netgear router, right? I might have to make another, that's for the second video, but I believe you could go say Alexa, turn on, I would say the guest Wi-Fi, or turn it on and off, and so on, and stuff like that. But that will be for a second video. Alright guys, so I didn't want to make this video so long. This is gonna be just the tutorial, well, not a tutorial, an unboxing again of this router, and yeah, I didn't want to make it so long, but let's see. Let me show you the antennas. And they look like blades, helicopter blades. Pretty big too as well. So right there. And there you have it, guys. A quick overview unboxing, and I hope help you guys if you decide to buy a router, you know which one to buy. If you decide to buy the 6700 or 6700, go for it. Don't go by, you know, by what they tell you, that the 6400 is the successor of the 6700, which is not. It has an older CPU. They both share the same memory. This one has 120, I think it's 128 or yeah, 128 megabytes of memory and 128 of internal storage. 128 or 500, I think it's 128 memory and 128 storage. Could be wrong. I'm gonna have to look into it. And there you have it, guys. Clean up the table, and if you like this video unboxing, you know, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.